Hey, good morning guys. I got this nice new battery tester in from Ancel that I think you guys are gonna like. I know I'm gonna like it. I've had a chance to check this guy out now and use it, and it works great. I've got a couple of good products from Ancel, and they just keep making really good products. So let's check this one out. This is a 8-step battery charger. So that means there are 8 steps to the charging process. This battery charger will actually repair a battery. Now I went ahead and I tested this guy, and it does work. I have a battery inside of this toolbox over here that I keep in my bottom drawer. With my regular battery charger, which I have a really good battery charger, it would only bring this battery back up to 50%. That was the most that I got out of it. I got this guy and I put it on there. Now it did take 3 days, about 6 hours a day. I had this on this battery as it went from step 1 to slowly to step 2. And by the end of the 3rd day, I finally completed the 8th step, and it brought this battery back up to 98%. No joke, I tested it several times, it brought it back to 98%. So I am actually very impressed with this battery charger from Ancel. All right, let's go ahead and use this guy to test a battery. You don't have to have this plugged into the wall to test the battery. All you need to do is hook your positive and negative clamp up, and that's going to be enough to power this up and get you your battery test. We're just going to hook this right up to the positive, hook this up to the negative, and as you can see, my tester came on. And then I'm going to scroll down here to battery test. So it's got a cranking test, alternator test, maintainer mode, and then in that standard charging menu is where you're going to find the battery repair, and then it's got a quick charge. All right, so my health is at 5%. My charge is at 26. So this battery, it says charge and retest. So this is going to be a battery that's going to be a good candidate for battery repair. I'm going to go ahead and put this guy on and let it sit on this car, and I'm going to let it fix this battery and see how far it brings it back. All right guys, I give this battery maintainer, battery repair, battery charger 2 thumbs up. I've already proven that this works really good here in the workshop. It's going to work great for me. I do recommend it if you're looking to pick one of these up. I recommend this one from Ancel. We got a link below. If you want to pick one of these up, just click on that link, pick one of these up, put it in your toolbox. I think you're really going to enjoy it. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Hope you have a good day.